today's the day. It's Sunday, and Kimmy2much and me are going to make French toast and see how it comes out. So if you're ready, Kimmy, I'm ready.
Boy, are you in for a treat. Today, in my collaboration with Hands On with BLG, I am going to make some French toast. I'm pretty sure I know how to make French toast. The first thing I'm going to do is get the egg.
What we got? I've got 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk in the bowl. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, just like so. 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Level it off. 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. I'm going to put just a little sprinkle, just a pinch of nutmeg, and a bit vanilla extract. Alright, now we're going to whisk all this together and make a mess. That's why I got a big bowl first. Now, I'm going to whisk in 1/2 cup of milk. You can use heavy cream, but I don't have any. There we go. This will be able to dip our toast in easily. Toast going in. Let that sit for a second. Our bread, that's going in on that side. You get the idea, right?
I'm just going to do 1 egg. I have a spoon, egg, spoon, some vanilla. Boop, boop. Turn the stove on. A little bit past medium. Here's some butter. Boop. I'm going to take some white bread. Okay, that seems pretty good. I'm going to do another piece. Flip it, cover it, smush it. And I'm just going to pour the rest on there.
Got 3 chunks of butter going in this medium high. It's on, or not medium high, medium heat. Okay, now we've got our toast getting ready to go in the skillet. This one only holds 1 piece at a time. We'll let the other soak while we do this one. 3 minutes on each side, folks. Maybe just a touch longer. You want to get a good toast on it.
Okay, a little bit of honey. All right. Oh. So right now, I'm just gonna wait until it gets like a crispy, like outer coating kind of dealio, you know what I mean? Why don't you guys tell me what you think about my collaborator, Hands On with BLG. I think he's cool as shit. You know what I mean? I found his channel when I was looking for a recipe. I think that it might have been Fritos bean dip, maybe? It was either like something with Fritos or something with bologna. Because you know me, I'm a Frito bologna girl. Okay, these are looking pretty good. I think they're good. Let's cut them up and make them look real pretty.
Well, there you have it, folks. French toast, 3/4 of an inch thick. That's how thick I cut my bread. And, oh God, you put a little bit of your favorite syrup up on here. Thusly. Still there? Still there. You get your favorite syrup up on here. Check this little trick out here, huh? I got a sieve. Sprinkle yourself a little bit of powdered sugar up on there. There you go.
All right. That looks really good. Now I'm going to put a little bit of extra cinnamon on there. I'm going to put, should I put more butter on it? Now we're going to do a little bit of syrup. I'm pretty happy with how it's looking. I want the butter to melt a little bit, so I'm going to stick it in the microwave for like 2 seconds. I have some powdered sugar. Okay, guys, let's see how it turned out. This is my French toast. What do y'all think? Do you think it looks good? I'm actually not hungry, but I'm gonna take one bite and I will tell you what I think, and then I'm gonna have my husband try it. Oh my God, it's really, really good. Okay, let's go see what my husband thinks. I mean, it looks pretty good.
It's really good.
Awesome. So that's a win?
That's a win.
Awesome. It's a win.
Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around and learn from me.